And the birthday girl's coming out to see her birthday setup.
Door's closed.
Uh-oh, she's noticed them.
Whoa. Who is that? Elmo.
Is that Elmo?
Who is that? Is that Elmo? Who's that up there? Abby.
That's right.
Hey. Do you like the balloons? Hey, Callie, look at all that over there. Whoa.
Hey, Callie.
Look at all that.
Her first time seeing her present. Hold on, don't open them yet.
We gotta wait for Haley to come over and...
You like them?
Is it awesome? Let's set that up there. We'll get into those when